to turn around, I thought to myself, you know what, I'll be happy enough to relinquish some profits at the all-time highs. Our previous local high was here. We could make the debate, we were debating this about whether or not this is a local high just here. We know that it dropped down 10%, and you could make various cases for it to be one, but we've pushed on since, and we've not taken out that wick just yet. So if we take out that wick, push on a bit further, make it so that it gets explosive price action on the dollar side of things, really take off towards the top side, or we're looking at weakness at an area that makes a heck of a lot of sense for weakness. And the weakness doesn't spell the end of the trend. What it spells is the potential for us to get pullback somewhere, maybe as much as 30%, maybe even more. In terms of the dynamic between the dollar and Bitcoin pricing, if we did drop down towards the 236, you're looking at a move from 229 down to 187. If we came all the way down to the 50% area, you're looking down to 139, and that would set you up for a sort of cup with handle psychology and around about here. This is, as it stands, the cup without the handle. So if we push on up the way, then fantastic. And you know, it would be better to see it have the handle so that we get a retest of the 50 post cross. Have we retested the 50 simple post cross? What do we say on the show? 24-hour time frame. What do we talk about on the show here, folks, focals and lady gents? We talk about after there being a cross, that it so often wants to test them, doesn't it? It does. It quite often wants to test these moving averages. So am I bearish on this right now? Well, yeah, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm bearish on this right here, right now, for all those reasons I've described. When in the face, when what we're actually looking at is really strong bullishness and a really strong bullish case to be made for movements towards the top side. And I completely agree with that. And I actually am bullish on it. But what I'm asking myself is, do I take some profits here and swing trade, you know, to get in for a bonus, for a discount, and then buy it back and then move towards the top side? Yeah, you know, that's maybe something that's a possibility for us, and I'm able to make that assessment with waiting for the prices to move 5%, 5 to 10% movement in prices will tell me so much more about the next 20% move